Want to sound more natural in English? In this video, you will learn 30 useful English phrases that native speakers use every day. Watch until the end. Try to use your favorite phrase in the comment. He seems angry about something. She looks sad and disappointed. My mother is very kind. I enjoy reading books in my free time. I love spending time with my dad. My neighbor is very helpful. I care about loved ones. I'm scared of loud noises. He feels jealous of his brother. She is cooking dinner tonight. The soup tastes delicious. My family makes me feel safe. I respect my elder relatives. I am worried about my friend. I'm excited about the party. I'm hungry for some pizza. He drinks coffee every morning. My sister helps me with homework. My brother is taller than me. I'm looking for my keys. The phone is ringing loudly. She looks embarrassed by her mistake. I feel grateful for your help. I'm thirsty for cold water. He enjoys spicy food very much. I'm turning on the lights. The water is too hot. I need to charge my phone. I'm setting my alarm clock. In order to learn more useful and interesting lessons, please subscribe to my channel.